Well, 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 show pony. What are you doing sitting in our wonderful swizzly chair with a little box in your hand? What's going on?
So, I just got this package in from this little piggy. I'm really excited about this because this is a new color that they are just releasing, and we get to show you what the color is.
Excellent.
So yeah, so let's see what it is. Let's open this up.
I'm excited for you, show pony. I'm excited to see what color it is that we've got in this little box.
I can't believe you gave me a knife.
You know, I thought it was, you know, safety scissors. You know, that's the only reason why.
Kidding. Oh wow! Oh my God! This.
What is it?
Well, it's an incredible, like pinkish, kind of magenta-ish color. And the name of it is Show Pony.
They've named a color after you.
I could tear up right now. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy you're happy.
That is so beautiful. Thank you, TLP, for this. This means so much.
And it's kind of,
I love the color.
It's kind of cool because it's very similar to your Bowie t-shirt color, actually. It would go just perfectly.
It would go perfect. This color is amazing.
It's stunning.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. It's just one of the many colors that the TLP team are releasing today through ourselves and a bunch of wonderful artists.
Yeah.
Now, sir, you're going to use it.
Okay.
You're going to make a really awesome piece of art using your namesake color, Show Pony.
I can't wait to get this in the studio now.
And that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, the only thing left to tell people is this. You did get a little emotional. I love it.
A little emotional, yeah.
Is this, there are some very, very lucky people out there.
There are some very, very lucky people out there because I was also told that some of you, whenever you order your TLPs, that you could be getting some test colors, right?
Yeah, some samples.
Some samples extra in with your order. So a few people out there are going to get really lucky and get some cute little colors.
And I think it's even going to people that might have ordered previously. So yeah, then you check your mailboxes, guys, because from today, the 11th of June onwards, some of you guys are going to be getting some of these samples too.
That's amazing. This is so great.
So,
oh my God.
I have no clue what you're going to do with that because there's so many things we could do with it.
So many things.
So many
different levels.
But now you have your own little pigment color.
I have a pigment color. Show Pony.
Let's get you to the table.
Yes, absolutely.
You're so cute.
Oh, babe, this makes me like tear up. This is so sweet. Yeah, this is really nice. Are you still filming this? I'm so going to spank you.
I'm not at all.
Hey guys, it's Jeremy here, and I'm super excited about today's pour.
It's not Jeremy.
It's Show Pony.
It's Show Pony.
Right? With my Show Pony TLPs. I'm so excited about this. I am just overjoyed and overwhelmed by this, honestly. I can't wait to use these.
I can't wait for them to call TLP Bossy Boots and get my own. Yes. That's what I'm waiting for. But yes, I do love this color. It's super, super
lovely. Oh my God, it's incredible. All right, well, let's get to using it
I think you're very excited about it.
I am.
Okay,
I am so excited.
What are you going to use it with? And let me put it on the table there for everyone to see. What's going to go with it?
I'm going to use Dioxazine Purple.
Okay.
I'm going to use Phthalo Blue.
You are.
I'm going to use Titanium White.
Titanium.
And I'm going to use 24 Karat Gold by Deco Arts Metallics.
Now, would you like to tell everyone how, in fact, we have mixed our little piggies for this pour?
Yes, absolutely. We use Saks True Flow Acrylic Gel Medium. And what we do is we put this in the bottom of the cup and we mix our TLP with that.
The pigment.
The pigment. We mix the pigment with this, and then we add our FLOETROL to it.
Exactly. Yeah. There's different ways of mixing. Absolutely. You can do a recipe using mix.
Yeah.
But we know not everyone can get it. So this is our recipe that uses FLOETROL, still keeps that shimmer, still keeps that shine.
Yes, exactly. All right.
Now, what are you going to be doing on this? What size canvas have you got?
I got a 20 by 20 inch canvas.
Okay. And what are you going to be doing?
A ring pour.
Well, there's a surprise. It's the Show Pony special, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, a ring pour.
Now, I'm very excited to see how, in fact, you use this pink with these beautiful colours.
Well, you're going to see that right now.
Okay. I was stalling for time as I was getting my camera ready. Thank you for that. I'm glad you're starting with the pink. Let me zoom in. Look at that shimmery, shiny bubble gum.
So delicious.
It's like sparkly Hubba Bubba.
Yes.
I love it. Now, the one thing that you guys and gals should know when using pigments with opaque acrylic paints is that you really do need to put them in between opaque paints to really allow them to shine. So yeah, definitely make sure that your pigments are going, when they're mixing and you're layering, layer them in between opaque colors.
Yes, exactly.
Look at that cup. Show pony in a cup.
Show pony in a cup.
Oh my God, the jokes I'm going to be able to do.
All right, guys, I got my deliciously layered show pony cup here, which I'm going to ring pour onto the canvas, and then I'm going to use a flow extender around it.
And are you going to wreck it?
We'll see what happens.
Okay.
We'll see.
I like you reserving judgment. Go for it.
Yes.
10 out of 10 on the dismount.
I'm loving that. All right, guys, now I'm going to put my flow extender.
Now this is a delicious little pot of silver that I made for you, show pony.
Nice.
Yeah, well, it's kind of white. So I thought that you might, contemplate you leaving some negative space if it's so called for. So I wanted to give you a really nice flow extender this time.
I'm glad you did.
I'm glad you're glad.
Oh my God, you guys, this is crazy. I'm loving it.
Like I've said many a time, yes, please, I'll buy it. Stop, don't move it, don't touch it. I wish you could just leave it the way it is. But yeah, it's actually going to have to be tilted.
Yeah, it is tilting time.
Oh, it is tilting time.
It's tilting time.
Well then let's tilt this bad boy out.
I'm not gonna wreck it. This is amazing. I mean, look at that show pony pink like pop up through here. The cells in this are unbelievable, and I love the lines, and it's just, everything just worked. It's so pretty. I think it's one of my favorite pieces that I've ever done.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah. So I'm really excited about this, you guys. I hope you like it too. I'm gonna get my edges and I'll take you guys in for a close-up.
Let's do it.
So there you have it.
Okay. This was the show pony episode today. I'm gonna give it you. You can have it.
So guys, I can't even express how lucky I feel and how grateful I am, and just how wonderful it is that TLP did this for me and named one of theirs after me. Mm-hmm. It's just incredible. I absolutely loved using it. I loved it in the pour.
Stunning.
Yeah, it just came out so great. I love that color. It is so incredible. Yeah, that pink. I thought everything just worked really well.
It's like delicious bubblegum pink.
It is.
With all the shimmer and sparkle.
It is.
If I may say, I did really, really love your piece.
Thank you.
Stunning. And you tilted it out to perfection. Really well done.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Loved
it.
Well, thank you again, this little piggy, for doing that for me.
And there are going to be some lucky people, as we've said.
Yes.
You'll be receiving some of the sample colours in their letterboxes from today, the 11th of June onwards, with the actual reveal date or the actual launch date for all the piggies coming up very, very soon.
Yes.
So please keep your eye on all your socials, because everyone's going to let you know exactly what's going on.
Yes.
You too can own a little piece of the show pony. Show pony can be in every single home in America. How crazy is that?
It sure can.
What a crazy thought. Send us home, show pony.
All right, guys. Thank you so much again. And thank you all for being here on this special episode. And we will see you at the next one.
We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Well done, show pony.
Thank you.